Hi guys, welcome back to Forex technical analysis. And last few weeks, Forex market has been really interesting, and the trend has definitely reversed as opposed to last month. So let's dive in. First, let's start with the USD index chart. As we know, last few weeks, market has been clearly behaving below the yellow moving average line. Previously, the market was consistently behaving above the yellow moving average line, right? So if you guys remember my videos from the last month, I was recommending to buy USD. Now the trend has reversed. I have closed all of my buy positions, and now I'm positioning to sell USD because the majority of the market is behaving below the yellow moving average line, and overall trend in the market is down. Okay, so that means we're gonna look for opportunities to sell USD. Okay, so let's write it down. Today is February 2nd, Monday, and USD index overall trend is down, and our decision is to sell USD. Okay, USD Japan Yen. So here in the USD Japan Yen, overall market is behaving. Majority of the market of the last leg is behaving below the yellow moving average line. So trend is clearly down. But unfortunately, in the overall, if you look at the overall term, the overall longer term might be up. So that's why I'm a little bit hesitant to trade USD. Instead, we have much better pairs like Euro USD, USD Canada dollar to trend. So that's why I'm not trading USD Japan yen. But if your USD Japan is your favorite pair to trade and you're confident with the shorter down trend here, then you're welcome to trade USD Japan yen. So me personally, according to my trading system, I'm not trading USD Japan yen because I have much better looking pairs than USD Japan yen like Euro USD. Okay, let's write it down. USD Japan Yen trend is down, leg size is nice because it's not aligned with the overall longer term trend, so I'm not trading USD Japan Yen. Okay, USD Canada dollar. So here, USD Canada dollar overall trend is down because majority of the candles of the last leg is behaving below the yellow moving average line. Also overall trend, bigger trend is also down, going down like this. So USD Canada dollar, if it's your favorite pair, you can sell USD Japan yen. USD Canada dollar, I'm sorry. So according to my system, I like the market to retrace at least the 50 to 60% zone here. Then it will be a perfect opportunity to sell Loonie. Until that, we can wait a little bit longer. So it looks like a market has already retraced 40 to 50% zone. And if it retraces once again into 50 to 60% zone here, once again, it's a perfect opportunity to sell USD Canada dollar. So one thing about the USD Canada dollar, USD Schweizer franc, USD Japan yen is that they have higher swap rate on the sell side of the USD. That's why you might pay a lot of daily swap fee when you sell USD against those pairs. So that is also one of the reasons I don't like to sell USD Japan yen, Canada dollar, and USD Schweizer franc. So let's also keep that in mind. Okay, so let's write it down. USD Canada dollar trend is down. Since it's not my favorite pair to sell, I'm not trading it. So if it's, once again, if it's your favorite pair to sell, wait it to retrace at least 50 to 60% zone, then sell it. Okay, USD Schweizer franc. So overall trend is definitely down because the majority of the candles is behaving below the yellow moving average line. Market has retraced it into a good zone here. Ideally, it would be a perfect zone to sell USD Schweizer franc. And once again, the reason I'm not selling USD Schweizer franc is that it has a really high swap rate. That means every day while I'm holding USD Schweizer franc sell positions open, I'm going to pay a lot of money daily. So that's why I'm not trading USD Schweizer franc. Okay, let's write it down. USD Schweizer franc trend is down, which aligns with the USD index chart because of the high swap rate. High swap rate. I'm not trading USD Schweizer franc. Okay, now Euro USD. That is my most favorite pair to trade. So let's see what's going on here. So overall trend is up. In other words, USD is getting weak against the euro. Overall trend is up because the majority of the market is behaving above the yellow moving average line. So we have nice up leg like this. The market has retraced it into 50 to 60% zone here, and I bought Euro USD at the 50% retracement. That is a really good zone to buy Euro USD. So I have risked about 0.4% of my account buying Euro USD. So my stop loss is down here and my take profit is at this local maximum. The reason I put it here is that this up leg size seems to be on the bigger side, so I don't think it will demonstrate the Fibonacci extension 1.618. Instead, I believe the market will behave like up, make a new local maximum, then retrace once again, and then extending the Fibonacci extension 1.618. So for that reason, just to be safe, I'm putting my take profit at the new local maximum here and setting my stop loss about the local minimum here. My risk and reward ratio is about 1.1. I will give it a win rate of 75%. So mathematically, it's a really good opportunity to buy Euro USD right now because the market has retraced into 50 to 60% zone here, which is amazing opportunity to get into trade. Okay, let's write it down. Euro USD trend is up. Leg seems to be a little bit bigger. That's why I bought. Risking 0.4% of my account at 50% retracement for the risk and reward ratio 1:1, which is a perfect execution of my trading system. So let's flag it as green because it's a perfect execution. Okay, let's continue. Aussie. So once again, the Aussie overall trend is up because the market is consistently behaving above the yellow moving average line. And if the market has retraced into 40% here, and if it once again retraces into 50 to 60% zone here, that would be a perfect opportunity to buy Aussie. Until that, we're gonna wait. So market has retraced into 40% zone here, then seems to be bouncing back, and there is a high likelihood that market once again retraces into 50 to 60% zone here. Until that, we're gonna wait. Okay, let's write it down. Aussie. Aussie trend is up. Market has retraced into 40% zone here. If it retraces once again into 50% zone here, then I would recommend buying Aussie. Okay, New Zealand dollar USD. Again, the similar story. The overall trend is up. Market is consistently behaving above the yellow moving average line. the last directional leg seems too big, but that's okay. If the market retraces into 50 to 60% zone here, it will be an amazing opportunity to buy New Zealand dollar USD. If that is the case, I will set my stop loss below the local minimum here. I will set my take profit at the local maximum here for the 1-to-1 risk and reward ratio opportunity. For the win rate for this kind of market behavior is about 70 to 75%. So mathematically, it is a still great opportunity to trade. Okay, so let's write it down. New Zealand dollar USD trend is up. Next height seems to be too big. And our decision is to wait 50% retracement. Okay, so what do we see overall, guys, last several weeks? So right now the trend has definitely reversed. USD is getting weak overall. That's why we are looking for opportunities to sell USD. So right now Euro USD looks best to buy right now, guys. All right, thank you guys watching. See you next time.